In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a passkey on Robinhood. This is a great way to enhance your security and make logging in a breeze. By using a passkey, you'll be able to log in with Face ID, fingerprint, or a device PIN instead of a traditional password. Not only is this more secure, but it's also faster. Let's begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Once the app is open, please sign into your account. This is your starting point for setting up the passkey. Now, let's navigate to the settings. Tap on the account icon, which looks like a little person. After that, look for the menu, which might appear as 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon depending on your device. Tap on this to proceed. From there, you'll want to open the security settings. Look for the option labeled Security and Privacy. This section is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to protect your account. Next up, select Device Security. Here you'll see an option for passkeys or biometric authentication. Go ahead and tap that, then choose to set up biometric authentication. This step is important because it primes your device to recognize your unique features like your fingerprint or facial structure. At this point, you need to confirm your identity. Robinhood may ask you to enter your password, receive a verification code, or confirm a device login. This step ensures that you are really you, adding an extra layer of security. Now, let's create the passkey. Depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, this can differ slightly. For iPhone or iPad users, you will use Face ID or Touch ID. Android users will use their fingerprint or screen lock. Tap Create or Enable Passkey to proceed. Once that is done, you are almost there. Your passkey is now saved on your device. This means you can log in without having to type in your password each time. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily routine. A quick note, passkeys are stored securely on your device, either in the Apple Keychain or Google Password Manager. This means your information is well protected. If you change phones, you might need to set it up again, but don't worry, it's a quick process. And remember, you can still log in with your password if needed. With everything set up, you've successfully added a layer of convenience and security to your Robinhood account. This small action has a significant impact, making your future logins both swift and safe. Thank you for taking the time to follow along. Your attention to security is a wise investment in your financial journey. Enjoy the peace of mind and ease that comes with using a passkey.